commitment to provide us with the knowledge and education we needed. That is why I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the teachers at our beloved school, led by our hardworking principal, Mr. F. Paniban, for their unwavering dedication and guidance. To our teachers, Ma'am Michelle Mistrola, Ma'am Perminda Abena, Ma'am Hermohenia Paniban, Ma'am Maria Carol Cadasio, Ma'am Magdalena Pagsanuhi, Ma'am Natalia Manalo, Ma'am Perfecta Balangyo, Ma'am Nicanora Abeliera, Ma'am Beverly Ann Chavez, Ma'am Michelle Bastudi, and our advisor, Ma'am Dessa Del Rosario. You are the heroes behind our success. You have imparted not just academic knowledge, but also valuable life lessons. You have been our mentors, our inspiration, and the driving force behind our dreams. Thank you for dedication, patience, and love. To my family, especially my parents, Mama and Papa, thank you for your sacrifices, guidance, and understanding. Unconditional love. To all the parents who never waver in supporting their children's dreams.
Ano, Joy? Susuot ka rin ng ganyang uniform, Joy? Joy? Susuot ka rin ng ganyang uniform, Joy? Gusto magsuot ng ganyang uniform? Ha? Salita na ikaw para makapasok tayo sa school. Dahil di store. Ha? Oh,
Through moments of joy and sadness, we became family, sharing experiences that will last forever be part of us. Let us remain humble, resilient, and wise as we take on the challenges that lie ahead. Habang tayo ay nagliliwang ng pagtatapos na ito, huwag natin kalimutan na ito ay simula pa lamang ng mas malalaking hamon at oportunidad. Sa pagharap natin, susunod na ito ang ating buhay. Ang mga aral na tsaga, disiplina, at pagmamahal sa kapwa. Huwag tayong magpapasama at magsikap upang maabot ang ating hinihingi ng buhay.
Galakad na po eh. Galakad na po siya. Ba?
Ang ating mga alaman at oportunidad na biyaya mula sa Kanya. Naway gamitin natin ang
Galakad na.
upang maging mabuting mamamayan at instrumento ng pagbabago ng ating lipunan. Let us continue to strive
Love me, love me, love, 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 love. Love, love, baby, joy, joy.
for meaningful change. A bright future awaits us all.
Love, love, eh.
Congratulations, graduates, and thank you very much.
Love, 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 joy, joy. Love, love, baby, joy.
Thank you, Gil Morissette, sa isang napakagandang talumpay. At upang isagawa ang panata ng pagtatapos, narito po si
Galakad na. Love, love, my joy, joy, sweet po yan, malambing. Hindi po siya ano.
Taas po natin ang ating kanakamay sa ayos.
Ay,
Ako si Yes